Hello and welcome to Life is Important channel. Today it's makeup day. So I have with me 4 items. This is Arabian Glow, Arabian Glow, and this is mascara. Okay, and these are Khol pencil. I use them for my lips, and this black for my eyes. So it's a simple instruction and with 4 simple items. So I remove my glasses. First, this is my base that I use. It's dusting powder. I use it as a dusting powder. You don't have to have the same thing. You can have any type of dusting powder. And so what I do is I just put a little in my hand like that. A little goes a great way. So you just so when we've finished with the dusting, we can then use the pencil, this, to line the eye. For information, I'm not using the same one that I use on my lips, on my eye. It's a different one. So I finish with the eye. I put it aside. This is the one I will use for my lips, and this one. So I now take this is the for my lash. I'm just showing you because I've already made up my face, but I'm just trying to show you how I do it because it's just simple 3 steps. If you notice, I've not done my brow because I don't want to do my brow. Actually, I want it to be just simple. So I would use the black first. Okay, and then I get the here we go. So we're done with this simple makeup for mature face. So this is my dusting powder, and this is the lash, and this is the Khol pencil. So if you feel like glamming yourself up, Have your four. You don't need a lot of things to make yourself beautiful and glamour. So just go for your 4 items. There you go. Like, share, and subscribe. I'll come back again with my African beauty tips. I love you. God bless and keep you. Bye bye.